Hey there, it's Natasha from natashajam.com, Global E-commerce Marketing, and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm very excited to share some information with you. The information that helped me like 6 months ago to get started with Bitcoins. And if you ask me why Bitcoins, why now, I believe, based on what I've seen and observed for the last few months, when I saw a lot of people got burned with their fast money-making vehicles in crypto world, I believe that at least we need to get educated. What is the Bitcoins? What altcoins are? What is other alternative in the crypto world that we can legit they get the legit information, and surround yourself with the best entrepreneurs, the best information resources. So the first, I can tell you that the first information about Bitcoin I heard just literally in June 2017, and I got very excited, but because I didn't get help, I didn't have anyone who would just explain to me how to start with it, how to buy, where to store, what is the best wallet, because it was all new to me. So I put it on the side until a friend of mine, Vitaly Dubinin, actually he's a very good entrepreneur, online marketer. He put together this information, and that was so easy for me to follow these instructions, so that I really believe that that would help a lot of people at least to get educated. And it's not just helped me to get educated, but because I was surrounded myself with that big community of people who are so eager to learn about Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies, I actually started making money. And we all have a taste right now that you can start. It's really a huge potential, although a lot of people still don't know about Bitcoins at all, or think it's a scam, or think it's a big bubble. But little by little you can have information on social media, on TV, on newspapers, and those who tell you that it's a big bubble, big scam, actually buying right now Bitcoins. And of course, I'm not financial advisor at all, but I believe in cryptocurrency, and I believe that blockchain technology, that information is actually it's here with us to stay. It might have some transformation, but at least at this moment, I'm inviting you to get educated. And the course that Vitaly put together, it's completely free. So you can just go and follow steps, and that's what exactly I did in October. I just had a few days that I could spend and learn, and I just followed the steps and was able to create an account. If I had a question, the community really helped me to get answered. And really now it's actually, I was able to use a few vehicles to not just to learn about Bitcoins, but actually start making money with Bitcoins. So if you had a question where to start, I'm really giving you the source that helped me. So stay tuned. I'm going to flip the camera and I will show what you can find inside of Bitcoin Wealth Club. Alright, so on the bottom of this video you will find the link, an invitation, my personal invitation to Bitcoin Wealth Club. You would have to opt in, and once you opt in, you will see this welcome message from Vitaly. You can just follow the instructions, and if you just want to get to the course, you will go to dashboard and you will see start video course. And it will take you to step by step. You see like modulars, and you just watch them and get educated. It's very healthy. I would say it's healthy to learn about cryptocurrency, about how to store it, where to get it, what's the best platform, exchanges. And what I like about this, because I believe in systems and I believe in good product, which in this case, course is a terrific product that can help a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs, but it also will help to leverage. So if you're just a beginner, you want to start, just go through training. If you're a marketer and you want to leverage the system, it's a terrific system. It's a lot of people here, and you can use this Bitcoin Wealth Club, and actually by promoting this, you can also can get referrals. But I will show you the value why I'm very excited to be a part of it, because beside educational point that again helped me to get started with Bitcoins, you can actually set up passive profits, which is the system will help you to get spillover. So you bring traffic to the site, and once you set up accounts with it, really building Bitcoin wealth, crypto wealth, you can use these profit systems, and once you direct your traffic, they're going to be through your affiliate names and affiliates through your links. So you can set it up, and it's very easy. There is a training. You will get affiliate links and funnels already created for you, so you can promote Wealth Club, and there is nothing wrong with that. It's already created. Like if you get this link, for example, that I promoted, and you can use it, you know, wrap it up in your own domain, and look, you just paste it, and you have your funnel. You don't need to create or anything. Everyone who opted in will
the biggest transference of
get your email, and it will be attached to you, and you can make money through that. Now they also have training and marketing. You have premium members. If you want to learn in trading, crypto trading, millionaires, they are teaching how to trade currency, and you can set up your autoresponder. You can get affiliate account, my referrals. So again, you can set up and just direct people to the system. So there are different people whom you're going to meet, guys. Someone who just really I know some of my friends, they wanted to start with Bitcoins, but they didn't know where actually to start. So I directed them straight to the course. They might not necessarily want to promote the system, but you also might find some people who actually want to start making money with that. And in this case, there is the same step-by-step instructions how you can leverage the system of Bitcoin Wealth Club. And to meet real people, to meet the best community. Look, this is a Bitcoin Wealth Club. You really have to be a part of it, a part of the club, to be in the Facebook page. And it's 79,000 people already members. So you kind of really want to be here and to learn the new information, good news, and new opportunities that are completely legit and really helpful for you, not just to buy Bitcoins, but multiply, so everyone could be Bitcoin millionaire. There's in 2018. So I'm inviting you again, very excited to share with you this information, because again, this helped me to start making money with the cryptocurrency. Again, I believe cryptocurrency is here to stay, and once big giants like Amazon will start taking payments in Bitcoins, a lot of people will jump on board and start searching for the information. As an entrepreneur, you have to have knowledge, and you have to be ahead of the game. And I've seen recently so many people burned with their with some fast money making companies. That is at least educational point of this. It's very important. Okay, so find the link below in description in this video. I will see you inside of the community. You can always reach out to me in my Facebook fan page, natashagem.com, and I will see you in the next video.